Welcome back to News Nexus, where we bring you the latest tips and strategies for navigating today's work and finance world. I'm Emily Parker, and today we're diving into a topic that's on a lot of people's minds: how to ask for a raise and actually get it. Before you even think about walking into your boss's office, you'll want to prepare. First, do some research. Check out salary sites like Glassdoor and LinkedIn to see what people in similar roles at other companies are making. This will help you set a realistic number to request. Knowing the numbers helps you back up your request with real data. Plus, it shows you're taking a professional approach. And don't forget to make a list of your recent accomplishments. Anything measurable, like sales numbers or successful projects, is perfect to bring up. Step 2 is all about demonstrating your value. When you ask for a raise, it's not just about what you want, but why you deserve it based on the impact you're making. So go ahead and summarize your accomplishments. Did you save the company time or money? Lead a successful project? These are the key points that make a difference. Mention any leadership qualities too. Maybe you mentored someone new or came up with solutions for a team problem. Showing that you're helping the company move forward will strengthen your case. Now, on to the pitch itself. This is what you're actually going to say. Start with your raise request like, "I'd like to discuss an increase in my salary." Then, back it up with the data and accomplishments we just talked about. Don't make it too long, just a few sentences to explain why a raise makes sense based on your research and your achievements. It's about making your case clear and focused. Timing can be everything. Try to ask for a raise around your annual review or after completing a big project. And if your company's had a strong quarter, that's a great time too. Avoid times when the company may be under stress or dealing with cutbacks. By picking the right time, you're showing that you understand the big picture, which will definitely help your request. After you've had the conversation, don't forget to follow up. Send a quick email thanking your manager for their time and summarize your key points briefly. If you don't hear back after a week or two, a polite follow-up can keep things moving forward. It's all about keeping the conversation going, while also showing respect for your manager's time. Not every raise request gets a yes right away, but even if you hear a no, it doesn't have to end there. Ask for feedback. What can you work on for next time? Some companies may even offer alternatives, like extra vacation days or professional development opportunities. Being flexible shows resilience, and it could help you in your next review. So, there you have it. 6 key steps to help you ask for a raise confidently and professionally. Preparation, clear communication, and timing are your best friends here. Remember, advocating for yourself is part of growing in your career, and it's totally worth it. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be thinking about asking for a raise too. Here at News Nexus, we're all about helping you succeed in your work and life. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your raise.